In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Adobe Acrobat to Classic View. We'll walk through the steps to switch your Acrobat interface back to the Classic View, which is perfect for those who prefer a more traditional layout. It's a straightforward process, and I'll ensure you have all the information you need to make this change smoothly. Let's dive right in, starting at your homepage on Adobe Acrobat. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the menu button. This is typically found at the top of your interface, often signified by a three-line icon or a simple menu label. Once you click on this, you'll be greeted with a drop-down list of options. You're looking for the option labeled Disable New Acrobat. Select this option from the drop-down menu. What this does is disable the newer layout of Adobe Acrobat, reverting it to the classic view that you might be more familiar with. This step is crucial for anyone longing for a more retro, perhaps more user-friendly, Adobe Acrobat experience. Now, after you select Disable New Acrobat, you'll need to restart the application to apply these changes. Simply look for the Restart button, which should be easily accessible once you've made your selection. Click on it and Adobe Acrobat will close and then reopen automatically. When Adobe Acrobat restarts, you will notice that the interface has switched to the classic view. This view may look and feel quite different compared to the newer versions. It's designed to give you that familiar look and feel, complete with the menus and layouts that longtime users might recognize. For a better user experience, ensure that you're comfortable navigating the classic view. Take your time to explore the menus and options. You may notice that some features are more prominently displayed or are placed differently than in the newer version. Feel free to explore these differences at your own pace. Switching back to the classic view can help some users enhance their productivity, as it reduces the learning curve associated with the newer interface. It also aids those who work frequently with Acrobat and rely on its features regularly. If for any reason you find that the classic view isn't quite right for you, you can always revert back to the newer view by following a similar process. Just re-enable the newer version in the menu. And that's it. You've now changed Adobe Acrobat to the classic view. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more tips and tricks for Adobe Acrobat, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and leaving your comments or questions below. Until next time, take care.